Hello, so this is our air compressor, but unfortunately the compressor head is damaged. So, but then don't you worry, kung sira ang mga compressor head nyo, may mabibili po sa online, sa Shopee, sa Lazada, or anywhere. So, huwag itapon. This is it. We can replace it to the damaged one. Ito yon. Pwede pala. Okay, so itatry na natin yung in-order natin from Shopee. If it's working. Okay. Let's wait. Let's wait. But don't you worry, kung may ano man, pwede man siya sa uli or magre-refund naman yung supplier. Pero one thing for sure, we can replace the damaged compressor head, a new one. So, hindi pa rin siya masasayang. Yun. Oh no, I think we also have problem with the new compressor head, but don't you worry.
Not working?
You can have a replacement for that.
Okay, not working.
Okay.
We need to return.
Oh, as you can see, titigil yung ikot niya. So, kahit pinalitan na natin yung kanyang
pinalitan namin ng
wires. So, wala pa rin.
Ito lang problema. So,
okay, yun lang po.
disalign na yata ito.
So, you return it to the seller since it's defective. Don't you worry, we can still fix it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel and watch out for other videos with our kids, Ronan and Rian, and more videos with their cousins. Bye-bye.
Hinto.